Good morning, children. Today I am going to solve Chapter 3 Geography. Give reason for Class 7. First question: wind action is prominent in desert area. Why? The solution is wind action is prominent in desert area as the climate is dry and there is very little vegetation to check the speed of the wind. Second question: dormant volcanoes are safe. Why? The solution is a dormant volcano is an active volcano that is not erupting but is supposed to erupt again. In case of eruption, it has a series of hazards, that is lava flows, ash fall, climate changes. This is why the region is not safe. Now the third question: meanders are formed by the rivers in the plains. Why? Rivers are the most important agent of degradation as the river flows from the mountain region. It has great erosive power, speed and force. Water is great. During this course, rivers does not lot of erosional work. As the river enter into the plains, all of a sudden the speed flows. Water is reduced to greater extent and the river widens and form meanders. Now come to question 4. The fourth question is: sand dunes are formed in the desert and not in the plain. Why? The condition required for the sand dunes to form include, the spelling is wrong, INCLUDE, include a large supply of sand. Second, an onshore wind for sand to be moved back to the beach. Third, an obstacle for the dunes to form against, that is pebble or driftwood. Third, this factor makes the formation of the sand dunes which is not found in the plains. Please check the spelling of include. Write it INCLUDE.